Welcome to 916 Rushton Road, an immaculate 3+1 bedroom bungaloft with 4 washrooms situated within Pickering's well-established Dunbarton neighbourhood. This brick and stone home features a concrete front patio and stone garden beds, as well as an interlocking side walkway to the backyard. The south-facing ceramic-tiled entrance foyer is flooded with natural light and opens into a main level showcasing 9-foot ceilings, hardwood flooring, pot lighting, and deep crown moldings throughout the reception hall. Featuring an 8-sided coffered ceiling, a contemporary light fixture, as well as 2 oversized entries, the elegant dining room has a wonderful open design and flow that is also found throughout the remainder of this level. An island with a raised breakfast bar defines the kitchen space, and this very functional work area showcases granite counters, stainless steel appliances and a double undermount sink, pendant and undermount lighting, as well as gorgeous dark cabinetry with molded uppers and a separate standalone pantry. The breakfast area and the adjacent living room both enjoy backyard views, and these 3 family and entertaining spaces share the cozy warmth of a triple-sided gas fireplace with an oak manteltop. During the warm weather months, entertaining extends to the outdoors, with the sliding door walkout from the breakfast area opening onto a 2-tiered deck within a fully fenced backyard landscaped with stone garden beds. The first of the 2 bedrooms on this level is well suited as a master bedroom and is also ideal as a guest or in-law suite. Featuring an oversized window for lovely backyard views, this bedroom additionally features 2 double closets and an updated ensuite washroom with a ceramic floor, as well as a soaker tub and a separate shower area with glass door, both with ceramic finishes. The second bedroom is found just off the entrance hallway, a naturally bright space with a vaulted ceiling above its arched window, a double closet, and almost exclusive use of an adjacent 4-piece washroom finished with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. Also off the main hall is a double coat closet, a storage closet, and access to the double garage, as well as an oak staircase with handrail carrying to an upper-level loft with a 10-foot vaulted ceiling above its arched window. Ideal as an incredibly private personal space for a mature family member or as a master suite, this room is finished with gleaming hardwood floors, has both a large walk-in closet and a mirrored door double closet, and is complete with a spacious ensuite washroom featuring an arched window, ceramic flooring, and a tiled shower area with glass door. High ceilings are also found in the finished lower level, which features an exceptionally sized open-concept family and recreation space with broadloom and pot lighting, as well as a bedroom with broadloom and a double closet, and a washroom with pedestal sink, a ceramic tiled floor, and a tiled shower area with glass door. This level additionally features great storage and utility areas, including a double closet between the bedroom and bathroom, a combined mechanical and laundry room, as well as an incredibly spacious workshop with access to a cold storage room. Within the catchment areas of William Dunbar and Maple Ridge Public Schools, as well as Dunbarton High and Pine Ridge Secondary Schools, this home is just minutes to numerous prime amenities, including the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.